This is the point of having everything in one little bag. You grab the bag and you're ready to go, and only maybe one or two ancillary things to pick up and go. Happy Veterans Day, even though today is Sunday and it was 2 days ago. But still, happy and thank you for your service. Today we are pulling apart my Pota Pack here, and we're going to go through it and see what's new and upgraded. If you might have seen already, I have something new already to show you. Let's go ahead and talk about it. The first new addition to this Pota Pack is this table. This table has come in handy several times when I'm out on the road potaing, and I can't find a table or a park bench to set up on. So I have this in the car always now, so when I need a table to go play Pota, it's there. It's easy to set up and use. I'll probably show you right now. The other major addition that's kind of came back is this fiberglass rod. Great to hang up a counterpoise and just get it off the ground or get the connector off the ground. But the new addition is this clothespin. This clothespin is excellent to clip on right there. And now when I put the counterpoise or the connection point right here, there's something to grip on and hold it up instead of falling down. Plus these are really easy to get into the ground. Yeah, look at that. And then you put your antenna right here and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and break the pack out. So here's my pack broken down. I still have the throw cord I got for throwing it up in the tree and this custom made Kong weight. I have washers in the inside there to help weight it down. I love that. The next is the antenna I got from Adam, still going strong. It's very amazing. A new addition to my pack is the Digi-Rig and all its supporting cables so I can do FT8 out on the field. Finally, I got the G90, the 9-hour amp-hour battery, and I have the Buddy Pole Mini, PowerMini. There might be a new one coming along, we'll see. And finally, I still have the solar cell BioNano 60 watt solar panel. Very good. And on top, this is the Evolve 3. I went ahead and set it all up and Tank Radio branded it. But prior to this video, it kind of went belly up. I'm going to get more into it later. But my original plan was just to have it sticking up right here. It fits right in my pack. It's light, it fits in the pack. I gotta figure out what's going on with it. I want this, I really do want this to be a part of my pack, but right now it's kind of not. And oh, one more thing. This is the Rig Expert Stick, I think 220. This is great. The e-ink display, very easy to see, especially a sunny day like today. I bet you can read the display. It might not be focused, but you can still clearly see it. Great addition. Plus, I had this in my pack for about a year now. I haven't needed to charge it yet. That's pretty cool. Their charge port is just this USB-C right there, and that's all you need to charge it. So no batteries, just plug it in at home, or when I get the upgrade, I'll plug it into the power pole here. This will be so cool. I can't wait to get that. Ooh, one last thing though. I'm still using the same Yukon Outfitters bag. You can't find this anymore. Everything fits in here so nicely, and when I go to a park, I just throw it over my shoulder. And I haven't found another bag to replace it yet. I want bags because bags are easy and kind of modular to put together. I'm a backpack kind of guy, so I love this. I could throw it over my shoulder and just go out for an easy hike. Or if I'm in a place that has no tables where I don't feel like hiking, I have this new table. This is great. I used it several times. It's amazing. Haven't shown it on video yet because kind of hiding it, but here it is. Woot! And you can't go anywhere into a park without your HT. And thanks to Steve, Ham Radio Clubhouse Steve, he sent me this signal stick to replace the one I lost. I can't call CQ because, as always, the HT's dead. I forgot to charge it last night. Ooh, that would be a good short. Here I am at Cedar Hill State Park. I got the HT with the new signal stick. Thank you, Steve. Go check out Ham Radio Clubhouse. Great podcast and show on YouTube. And I'm ready to call CQ, but the radio's dead. I forgot to charge it last night. Aww. A new thing for the Surface though I bought, while the Surface is booting, I bought a new USB-C power plug for it, so I can plug this into a USB-C and charge the Surface. So once I get the new plug, there is a USB to USB-C adapter, which I have, and I can charge this. One last thing in my Pota Pack is these Buddy Pole 60 foot or 30 foot. I love this coax cable because it has weather dust covers that you just put on the ends. It's attached to it, you can't lose it, and you just attach it when you're done, cover up the port, so now no dirt and grime can get in there when you're stored. So I love this. I love this cable. Go get one. Buddy Pole. One last thing I found on the table as I was setting up the radio, I made this power pole power supply plug for the Evolve 3 and put power poles on it, so I can go ahead and plug it into my PowerMini here and plug it into the Evolve. Boom, red light. And now the Evolve 3 is charging. One more thing, I'm back in the car and I can't believe I didn't bring this up. In the state of Texas, and I bet your state does it too, there is the Park Pass. This Park Pass will get you into the parks for free. It's about $50 here in Texas, and you can keep going into parks for free all year. I really recommend this. It's paid for itself already. It's here. Oh, I can't believe it's here. This is the Buddy Pole PowerMini 2. I just got it. Let me get my knife. Yeah. Cuts like butter. Brand new screen, doesn't even have the peel off yet. Here it is, the Buddy Pole Mini 2. It basically has the same battery and solar inputs, and then load 1 and load 2, but with the added bonus now with a USB port. I can't wait to get this in the field, but it's in my pack now. Mine. So let's go ahead and get this stuff set up and see if we can make some contacts. Well, it's not always a success when you go out and play POTA. For some reason, it sounds like there's a short in the antenna where I'm not getting good reads on anyone. It keeps cutting it out like... I pretty much replaced almost everything except the antenna. The HF to BNC adapter, I replaced that. I put another cable on it, extension cable, and that wasn't the problem. I swapped out batteries. Maybe it was a battery power supply issue, and that wasn't the problem. I took it off solar, and that wasn't the problem, and I couldn't figure out why. It sounded like there's a short. So I think it's the antenna. I only have one antenna right now. I tuned it with the Stick Expert, and it tuned up pretty good, and that wasn't the issue. The tuner, what it was on, it was able to handle it, and it was just receiving. So even if it wasn't tuned, I should be able to receive something. So I don't know what's going on. I think it's the antenna. Next time I just need to bring in another antenna. They all can't be successes, can they? Now, sorry to leave this video on a downer, but that was my Pota Pack update, and till next time, y'all, go forth and conquer. Play that sad Hulk music as he's walking down the road. Probably copyrighted. You can help support the channel by Patreon or YouTube memberships. Links in the description below. And a thank you to all my supporters. Go forth and conquer.